Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the super easiest and crispiest beef corn dog. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe below for the upcoming videos. Let's get started with this recipe. Here I have 1 cup of cornmeal. This cornmeal is basically it's kosher. It's not very fine powder. I'm going to add that to a bowl. To this I'm adding 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt. Go ahead and mix them to combine well and set it aside. Now here I'm using beef hot dog. Just make sure it's a good quality of a hot dog. Now I also have an ice cream stick. Go ahead and take out any excess moist from the hot dog because that's very important, otherwise the batter won't stick to the hot dog. Now go ahead and insert the ice cream stick in the center of the hot dog, just leaving little stick to hold and fry. Around 2 inches of a stick. To the dry ingredient, I'm going to add 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons butter, melted butter, and combine them until the egg is well incorporated. To this, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of buttermilk. Now, go ahead and add that and mix the batter until it is nice and creamy. You can have a creamy batter or even little thicker than my batter consistency. Go ahead and add that to a tall glass. That way it is easy to dip the hot dog into the batter and directly add it to the preheated oil on a high heat. Now we are going to cook this on a high heat because hot dog is already pre-cooked. We want to cook is just the batter, which is the thin layer of batter, until it's nice and crispy and golden brown. Once it is done, you can remove it from the oil and serve it with some ketchup or mustard. It's so easy and simple. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.